Welcome back to One More Guru. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to apply for maternity leave in Canada. First, open your preferred web browser and type in Government of Canada's official website at canada.ca. Once you're on the homepage, you can sign in if you already have an account. Next, head over to the menu and click on Benefits. From there, select Employment Insurance Benefits and Leave, then click into that section. Scroll down until you find Maternity and Parental Benefits. On that page, you'll see detailed information including what the benefits are for, who qualifies, how much you can receive, and how to apply. You can read through everything carefully, but if you're ready to move forward, simply click on the Apply button. The application process includes choosing the type of benefits you're applying for, gathering the required information, completing the online application, submitting any necessary documents, receiving your benefit statement and access code by mail, checking the status of your application online. If you're already familiar with the program, you can go straight to the Apply section and follow the steps from there. That's basically how you apply for maternity leave through canada.ca. I hope this guide helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more helpful videos like this. See you in the next one.